Hey guys, this is Judy from Judinka Nail Art. Welcome back to my channel. And today I have swatches on these nail polishes from Painted Phalanges releasing in the month of November. Angie from Painted Phalanges sent me her newest collection that will be releasing on November 18. It is called That's So 2020 and this is a 4-piece collection. And in addition to this collection, she's also releasing a limited edition polish celebrating her son's marriage. So I will be showing you these 5 nail polishes today and they will be swatched on my natural nails. Also, Painted Phalanges is now offering her nail polishes, or they come packaged in this cute little bag, so that's an extra touch and it's a really cute box. I personally don't really hold on to them, but I like that they have the opening, so if you want to keep your nail polishes in a darker place, you can just keep them in the box and you can still see the colors that are inside the box itself. So it's a very nice touch, but again, I just kind of prefer to keep my nail polishes in my Alex drawers or on my shelves, and I don't typically keep the boxes, but I did want to show you guys that this is a new feature that she added to her nail polishes. Big thank you to Angie for sending me these polishes. I have to tell you that I really like the collection. However, I also have to say that the polishes in the That's So 20 collection are probably more suited for darker skin tones and people who have more like pink undertone rather than yellow like my skin tone or skin type. But the formula on all of this is absolutely beautiful. These colors are quite unusual and I don't really have many colors that would be similar to what she is releasing for you guys. So definitely check her out. Stay tuned for the live swatch portion, and if you do enjoy swatch videos, then please give me a thumbs up. And of course, if you're new here, you just found my channel and you do enjoy swatch videos, then definitely hit the subscribe button so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Alright guys, I will leave for you everything in the description box, but if you do have any questions, comments, please leave them for me in the comment section and let me know which out of these 5 polishes is your personal favorite. As I said, I do like the polishes. I just don't particularly think that they are necessarily targeting my skin type. Keep watching the swatch portion. Thank you so much for being here today, and I will be back with some more soon. Thank you. Bye bye. you.